Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make my chocolate chips muffin. Great for kids. This will be ready in an hour or less, including preparation, baking and everything. I'm gonna take you to the ingredient first. We're gonna need some all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, granulated sugar, semi-sweet chocolate chips, eggs, whole milk, butter softened at room temperature, and then we also need vanilla extract. I'm just gonna use a bowl with electric mixer. First thing I'm gonna do is just take a spoon and mix everything here. Okay, so that is good. Now I'm gonna set this on a side and I'm gonna start adding my butter to my bowl, my sugar, and then I'm gonna mix this until creamy. Okay, good enough. Now I'm gonna add my vanilla extract. This is 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna give this a little bit more. Okay, and now I'm gonna start adding my egg one at a time. Now if you're comfortable to break your egg in a small bowl and then add to your batter, you can do that. And that's my last egg. Okay, I'm gonna add my milk, beat. We are mixing really nicely. Just before you add the flour, make sure you beat the butter very well. So that's why we are adding everything, and then once we add the flour, we're not gonna beat it too much. Then you're not gonna get a really fluffy or smooth cake. Your cake gonna be very tough, and in the middle it's gonna be like you will see it's not gonna be like a actual cake. It's gonna be different, like a little bit hard. So you may follow the step. All right. Now I'm gonna add the flour that I have already mixed, and I'm gonna do this in 2 to 3 batches, and then I'm gonna continue with this. Okay, so I add the flour in 3 addition. I left like this is about 3 tablespoons. Now I want to add my chocolate chips to this little flour, and I want to mix this. Now what this does is when your muffin or your cake is baked already, you will see the chocolate chips is spread all the way like everywhere into your cake. If you don't do this, then it may stay one place in your cake. So this is a must to do when you're adding fruits like blueberries. If you're making blueberry muffin, if you're making chocolate chips muffin, this is a must to do. Add this to your butter as well, and then we're just gonna mix this quickly. Okay guys, so I add my chocolate chips, everything is ready. You know I'm gonna take my spatula, and then I'm gonna scrub all the edges, the side of the bowl, just to make sure everything is mixed up. And then I also have my tray ready with the muffin liners, and this is 12. We are making 12 muffin, and now I'm gonna mix this one time quickly. Okay, that's good enough. Don't mix, do not overmix, do not overmix. And now, as always, I'm gonna use my ice cream scoop. This one scoop will fit one muffin easily, And if you have leftover dough, then you can just use you can just add them, spread them into the 12, just to make it 12. But this recipe will yield a 12 muffin. See how easy is this? You can get the link down below if you wanna get this ice cream scoop. It's on Amazon. It's in the link down below. Go ahead and click on that link. That's my muffin ready to go in the oven, preheated oven 375, and that will be baked for about 20 to 25 minutes. Or you can just take, when it is 20 minutes, take a toothpick or a butter knife, insert. If it comes out clean, then you know your muffin is ready. I will show you how it looks like. Okay guys, my muffin was in the oven for 22 minutes. It's gonna take between 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven as well. And this is how it looks like. I just actually cut one into half, and I just want to show you inside. Can come close, and you can see how fluffy, how soft is the muffin. Get the full written recipe down below. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. I will see you next time. Bye.